Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Hollow Point Defense. My name's John. Thank you for being here. Like and subscribe if you would, please. It only helps us out, and I'm trying to put out more information for you guys. But let's get into what happened yesterday. While shooting the Smith & Wesson Carry Comp Metal, the slide was going slide lock before I was out of ammo. Turns out to be probably about 75-80% was a me problem. 20% was the gun, and I'll tell you why I say that. I run the Align Tactical right here, thumb rest. Not the gas pedal, that's a whole different brand and uglier. But I use the Align Tactical and I have good luck with it. I love it, I'm not changing it. But when I use it, get up here and I get my grip right here. When I get under it, I'm picking up on it. Because when I grip tight, I get up under it. You can see it right there going up. Just because this sticks out so far, it's an extended one. Now here's one, same thing, metal without it. I get up under there, I'm not picking it up at all, and I'm trying to force it. So there's nothing here. It's hard to see. Yeah, there you go. You can see the difference on the left side of the gun there. Compare the two. Let me sit back down. So here's what we learned yesterday. I was shooting under slow fire, it wasn't doing it. Medium fire, didn't do it. Rapid fire, it was slide locking before I was out of ammo. So I ended that video, as you guys saw or could see if you go look at it. I might attach it to this one. And then there's a second video I shot to see if it would happen again. Right after that, I put in another 6 or 7 round magazine. It might have had 8. But I ran it, it slide locked before it was out of ammo. We stopped that video. I went and loaded up 6 magazines with 6 rounds each. 5 out of the 6 slide locked before they were empty. So I started looking at it right there, and that's when I found out this part of my thumb right here was getting up underneath right there and pushing this up. It's just my grip. I'm not changing it because I like the way I grip the gun. So basically, coming up under here, get my thumb right there. I come up, see, that's exactly what's happened. When I come up to get my grip, I'm lifting on it. So I changed it out to the standard one, which is almost flush with the side of the frame. When I come up here, I am not hitting it anymore. I'm not slide locking it. We've already tried that, tested it, it's good, true. I'm good with it. So on my other metal, I am probably gonna get rid of these extended, go back to the normal ones. So all you need is a 3/32 punch, 1/8 inch punch. 3/32 punch is for your locking block pin. The 1/8 inch punch is actually for the trigger pin. And I use the 1/8 inch one because it fits really good. Goes all the way through it, and it actually captures your trigger spring as well. But let's put these things back together. Here is the carry comp. Everybody wants to see this part. We'll put this back together. I go to put a magazine in it. It's empty. It slide locks like it should, so it's going to be just fine. I can still do that if I wanted to. Get my other standard metal. There we go. I can put in an empty magazine, put that back. It slide locks, drop it. I can drop it just as well. So for me, on that particular issue, because I have seen this on some other ones that they were having problems with that, but some of them was because when the trigger was moving, this was moving. I don't have that issue. Mine was just because when I got up underneath there, I was pushing it up and it was slide locking. Wouldn't want that if I was out there, have to use this gun in a defensive situation like I carry it for. So there you go. If you have any questions, please let me know. You guys have a good day.